Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well at home. Now it's time for maths lecture, so let's begin. In our previous lecture, we have learned what is addition story or what is word problem. And we have done some question of your book, exercise 2.5, page number 28. We have also done part A, B and C. We have done 3 questions also in previous lecture. So today we will start from part D. If you forgot how to solve addition story or word problem, you can rewatch that video. So the very first rule, let us take a quick revision. The very first rule is reading the question very carefully, because question has given us some information. Question has given us some information and asked us to find something. Okay, question has given us some information and they asked us to find something. So for finding the information and what we have to find, we have to read the question carefully. So let's see how to do it. Part D. There were 235 sheets of pages in one bundle. There is a bundle and it is having 235 sheets and 195 sheets in another. There are 2 bundles. One is having 235 papers and second is having 195. How many sheets of paper were all together? Since all together is written there, we got to know that we have to do addition here. So let's solve it. This is your margin line. You will write question number, which is D here. Then you will write question. Ma'am is not writing the question, but you have to write the question in your notebook. Now after writing question, write solution, because we are solving, we are not writing answer. So here we will not write answer, we will write solution. Okay, so first bundle. First bundle, how many pages? How many pages? Very good. First bundle, 235 pages. Let's write 110 ones, forwarding mistakes. Now what about second bundle? First of all, we will write second bundle. Okay, how many pages are there in second bundle? Very good. 195 pages. Ones below ones, tens below tens and hundreds below 100. Now we have to find the total. So we will put plus sign. 5 plus 5. Yes, do it. 5 plus 5. Draw 5 sticks and put plus sign and then draw 5 sticks. Now let's count how many sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. We got 2-digit answer, so we will do regrouping here. I hope you all are aware of this regrouping process of addition. We have done so many questions based on regrouping. Okay, so I am not explaining much. Now it is for tens, turn for tens column. 1 is there, 3 is there and 9. Now let's count how many sticks are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Again we got 2-digit answer. So again we will do regrouping. So now successor property, whenever 1 is added to any number, it gives it successor. So 1 plus 2, 3. Again 1 is there. Again successor property, whenever 1 is added to any number, it gives a successor. So 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, so this is our answer. Now we will write answer. We will write answer. So how many sheets of paper were there all together? So we will write there were 430 papers. Okay, and then we'll put a line. I am drawing all the lines by running hand, but you will not do it by running hand. You will use ruler. Okay. Now for you writing, you can pause the video. You can pause the video and write the solution and answer. Okay. Now next part E. There were 629 soldiers in one army camp and 295 in another army camp. There are two army camps. One is having 629 soldiers and another is having 295 soldiers. How many soldiers were there together? Again, we have to find total number of soldiers. So information is of two army camps. So let us write the given information. First army camp. How many soldiers are there? Very good. 629 soldiers. Now we will again write 100 tens and ones. Now second army camp. How many soldiers? 295 soldiers. 295 soldiers. Now we have to find the total. So we will add them. 9 plus 5. Let's draw 9 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And 5. So draw 5 sticks. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. We got 2-digit answers, so we will regroup. 14, we will write 1 here, 4 here and 1 in the form of carry. Now, whenever 1 is added to any number, it gives it successor. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So we will draw 3 sticks. Now 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now let's count how many sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So again we will do regrouping. Again 1 is there. Successor property. 1 plus 6 is 7. So we will draw 7 sticks. And 2 is there. So we will draw 2 sticks. Now let's count how many sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So we will write the number 9. So 924. 924 what? Soldiers. So we will write soldiers here also. Now question was how many soldiers were there all together? So we will write answer. There were 924 soldiers. Okay. So this is how we can solve another question also. Now if you can pause the video and write the solution. You can pause the video and write the solution, and do not use running hand as I am using. Do use scale or ruler. Now part F. There are 95 mathematics books, 73 science books and 67 English books. in a library. There is a library and so many books are there. 95 books of mathematics, 73 books of science and 67 books of English. So how many total books are there? So let's write the given information first. Mathematics, how many books? 95 books, ones and tens. Now science, how many books of science? 73. Do not forget, write ones below ones and tens below tens. Now the last one is subject English. So how many books of English? 67. What? Books. Okay. So we have to find the total. So we will put plus sign over here. Now let us count how many books. 5 is there. So we will draw 5 sticks for it. Now 3 is there. So we will draw 3 sticks for it. 7 is there, so we will draw 7 sticks for it. Now let's count how many sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. We got 2 digit numbers. So what we will do? We will regroup that 15 in one sentence. One in the form of carry in the tens column. So now it's turn for tens column. Now successor property, whenever one is added to any number, it gives it successor. Okay. But 4 numbers are there. So we will draw sticks so that we can avoid mistakes. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now the next number is 7 and the last number is 6. Now let's count how many sticks are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23. So we will write 3 here and 2 in the form of carry. Now only 2 is there in hundreds column. So we will write 2 as it is. Okay. See, no number is there, only 2 is there. So we will write 2 as it is in hundreds column. So total, how many books are there? Total 235 books. So we will write the answer. There are 235 books. Full stop. Now line using running hand? No, line using ruler or scale. Now, next question. That is last question of the exercise. Okay. The question is, Sonia got 125 rupees, 215 rupees and 95 rupees from her father, mother and grandmother respectively for a fair. See, when you go to fair, Navgrah Mela, remember, your mother, father, grandmother, elder sibling, everybody gives you money for going there. So Sonia is also getting money for going fair. So different person gave her different amount of money. So now she want to count how much money she is having. So let us help her. Sonia got, mother gave how much? Rupees 125. Let us write 100 tens in ones for avoiding mistakes. Now from mother gave, now who gave her? Sorry, this is the money given by father. So we will write father gave. Now we are writing money given by mother. So mother gave how much? Rupees 215. Again we will write 100 below 100, tens below tens and ones below ones. Now one more person is there, grandmother. So grandmother gave, how much she gave? Rupees 95. She gave 95 rupees. Now we have to find the total money. So let's add them all. 5, 5, 5. So we will draw 5 sticks 3 times. Okay. Now let's count how many sticks are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. We added one digit and got 2 digit answer. So what we will do? We will regroup the number 15. We will write 5 below ones and 1 in the form of carry below tens column. Now it's turn for tens column. First of all, 1 is written there. So whenever 1 is added to any number, it gives its successor. So 1 plus 2 is 3. What is successor of 2? 3. Now again 1 is there. We got the answer 3. What is successor of 3? 4. So we will draw 4 sticks. Now the next number is 9. So we will 9 sticks. Okay. Let's count how many sticks in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Again we got 2 digit number. So what we will do? We will regroup 13. We will write 3 below tens and 1 in the column of hundreds in the form of carry. Now 1. Whenever 1 is added to any number, it gives its successor. So what is successor of 1? 2. So we will draw 2 sticks. And next number is also 2. So for that also we will draw 2 sticks. Now let's count how many sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will write the number 4. So she is having 435 rupees total. So let's write the answer. She got how much money? Rupees 435. Again use ruler or scale for making line, and this is rough work. The drawing of sticks is for our convenience. So this is our rough work. So this is how we can solve the addition stories of word problem. What is the first rule? The very first rule is reading the question very carefully and getting the information what is given there and what we have to find. Okay, so we are done with chapter number 2. Let's see some revision questions. Now I hope you all are able to do addition of 2 digit, addition of 3 digit, addition without regrouping, addition with regrouping, and addition using expanded form. Okay, so let's see, have you remember all these things or not? Page number 29, revision questions. Question number 1. Add the following 2-digit numbers. Again, I am not writing question, but you have to write question. 52, 34. How to add the numbers? By drawing sticks. So we will draw 2 sticks and we will draw 4 sticks. So let's count how many sticks are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will write the number 6 here. 5 and 3. We will draw 5 sticks and we will draw 3 sticks. Now let's count how many sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we will write the number 8 here. Okay. Now part B. Two numbers 43 and 46. And do not forget to write the places. Do not forget to write the places. Okay. Again 6 and 3. We will draw 3 sticks first. 1, 2, 3 and 6 sticks then. Now let's count how many sticks do we have. And all together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 sticks. So we will write the number 9. 4 and 4. We will draw 4 sticks and then we will draw 4 sticks. So let's count how many sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 sticks. So we will write the number 8. Okay. Now I hope you can do part C by your own. Okay. Because you know how to do addition. Now we will do part D. 28 and 61. Again we will write 101 sentence first. 1 is there. So remember successor property. Whenever 1 is added to any number, it gives it successor. So what is successor of 8? 9. So we will simply write 9 without drawing sticks. Now number 2 is there. So we will draw 2 sticks. 3 is there, so 6 is there, so we will draw 6 sticks. Now let's count how many sticks are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 sticks, so we will write the number 8. So first addend is 28, second addend is 61 and our answer is 89. Our sum or total is 89. Now part E I think you can do by your own. We'll do part F. First of all we will write tens and ones. The first number is 17 and the second addend is 52. So let's add. 5 is there. Sorry, 7 is there. So we will draw 7 sticks. And 2 is there, so we will draw 2 sticks. Now let's count how many sticks are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So we will write the number 9. Now whenever 1 is added to any number, it gives it successor. So what is successor of 5? 6. So we will write number 6 here. Okay. If you want to write all this, you can pause the video and write. Okay, you can pause the video and write it. Now part G. Again we will write 100 sentence first. 26 and 73. First and second indents are 26 and 73 respectively. Now 6 is there. We will draw 6 sticks. Then 3 is there. Now let's count how many sticks are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 sticks are there. So we will write number 9. 2 and 7. First of all, we will draw 2 sticks. Then we will draw 7 sticks. Now let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 sticks. So what does it mean? It means we will write the number 9. First indent is 26, second indent is 73 and answer sum or total is 99. These revision questions will remain in book itself. These revision questions will remain in book itself. So the last part of the question number 1 of revision questions, let's do that one also. Again we will write tens and ones, 35 and 45. 5 ones and ones, let's add ones and ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count how many sticks are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. We got 2-digit numbers. So what we will do? We will regroup the 10. Now whenever 1 is added to any number, it gives it successor. So what is successor of 3? 4. So we will draw 4 sticks for that. The next number is 4. So again we will draw 4 sticks for that. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we will write the number 8 here. Okay. We will write the number 8 here. So first indent is 35, second indent is 45 and answer is sum or total is 80. Okay. So this is we were doing revision question. We have learned all the concept of chapter 2. We are now just revising how we do addition, with regrouping. You all have learned all the question. We are just practicing. Okay. So this is all for today's lecture. Once again, I am reminding you all these exercise question which we have done, we will write them in copy, but this revision question will remain in book itself. Okay. So we'll meet in next lecture with more fun and more questions. Till then, stay home, stay safe and keep practicing. Bye bye students.